Welcome everyone to Auto Clearing Collision Center and our Body Shop educational video called 101. Today I'm going to address hail claims. To set up a hail claim, it's the same procedure you would follow with a collision claim. Your first step is to call SGI at 683-2100. They're going to take the details of your claim, and in most cases with hail, it's going to be the where and the when. They will also ask you the body shop of your choice. At this time, you're going to tell them Auto Clearing Collision Center. They will therefore dispatch us your claim. We will contact you as soon as possible and set up a time to do an estimate. We will try very hard to do a very thorough, detailed estimate and count every one of those little dents. From that stage, we will order the parts if necessary and of course walk you through the repair process. How do we repair hail, you ask? Well, there's a couple different methods. The most common one today is called PDR, which stands for Paintless Dent Repair. Now, we have some of the most master technicians that actually travel the world to repair hail. We like to use the best. If the dents cannot be PDR'd, then of course we will use traditional methods of basic body paint to repair those dents, possibly replace panels as well. What I wanted to address is, yes, we repair hail here at Auto Clearing Collision Center. Do that. 683-2100 is SGI. They will send us the information and we're going to look after all those nasty little dents for you. Just another little side note on hail is you do not get demerit points like you would on a collision estimate. Hail is an act of nature and does not carry demerit points. So the only thing you're subject to is a deductible. And also, as I've mentioned in one of my other videos, if you carry a package policy with multiple vehicles under the same policy, your deductible may even be waived. So most importantly, you do not get points with hail damage. Any other questions, feel free to call us. Otherwise, please help us like and share this video. During the summer, enjoy the sun, the lakes, the beautiful weather that we get here, and of course the land of living skies. So take care out there, and thanks for watching.